implemented many changes in their platform, and I feel we need to record a new video. And some of you have been complaining that some of my videos I speak fast, and I can understand because when I am editing I see that this is moving too fast. Welcome to my channel. My name is Lindy Cherries. In this channel we make money online, we do crypto and stocks, and in today's video I am going to show you everything you need to know regarding Luno. The changes are good because they've added a lot of crypto. We can now go buy using crypto in our stores. It's so exciting that we can do these kind of things in South Africa. And I know Luno is not only in South Africa. There are many countries where you can use Luno, and I will put the country here. And if you do need help, maybe a one-on-one session, you can book a session with me by going to my website. There is a link where you can book a session, or you can just inbox me and I will send my number so that you can book that one-on-one session. And I do charge 300 Rand or $20 if you're not in South Africa. So before going to my laptop, please remember that you can find the link to create your Luno account on my link tree, and I will put the link on the video. Just help me grow my channel by liking, watching, commenting. Those things are needed for the algorithm to share this video to many people. So without wasting time, let's go to my laptop. So the very first thing that you do, you log into your account. After creating an account, and you will see these tabs, and you can just scroll to each and every one of them. Let's start with home. So in home, you will see the top movers. So these are the ones that are doing well in the last 24 hours, and you can see the cryptocurrencies that are available. So this is shown in the dashboard, and you can also see what type of cryptos are there. You can see the different platforms. You can see also how they are performing, and if you want to see more crypto or you don't want to see specific ones, you can go to watch list and edit. And if I choose, maybe I do not want to see Ripple, I can just select there and unselect it. So this will not show under this list. So if you want to add something, you just click edit and you'll be able to add to your watch list. So whatever you want to see, you can add it there. You can even add just 2 and only see 2, but then do add whatever you need. And then there's also at the bottom, you see different cryptocurrencies that are there. And at the bottom right at the end, you can manage all these assets, and it gives you the same screen that we saw, which is to add and remove what you want to see on your dashboard. So this is just basically how to customize. And then this is also basically shows you everything that you need. So the next one, it is actually crypto. So you will see the top movers. You will see those that are not doing well. So this is specific to cryptocurrencies. You can see the dashboard. You can see the different crypto coins and tokens that are available. So when you click Ripple, it will show you the graph. You can see how much is this crypto worth. Actually, it's a token. You would see how it's worth. So you can navigate this area and see. So the layer 1 and DeFi. Layer 1 is like the very first blockchain. DeFi is decentralized finance, and you can see even the smart contract like your Ethereum being this first smart contract. And then you can see the AI crypto. So if you want to learn which ones are AI, which ones are smart contract, you can just go through these different tabs and see which ones. So if you want to see the gaming ones as well, you can see Sandbox, you can see even different ones. And then there's layer 2 as well. And then when you move on to the next one, you would see stocks. So here you can see what type of stocks Luno has, and you can decide what you want. So also with these stocks, there's different one, the technology, the financials, health, energy, communication. There's different industries that you can buy your stocks from. So as you can see, I have Chevron. You can just watch the graph, and as you navigate it, you can see on what date how much the price was. You can see it on all. You can see it on 1 month. You can see it on 2 months. You can see it even on more. So you can do this for even crypto coins. You can do this even for stocks. Let's see how you can boost your cryptocurrencies. You can just refer, and when you refer, you get a simple code that which you can post on social media. You can post it on TikTok, you can post it on Facebook, you can even post it on YouTube posts. So it doesn't matter where you post it, you can just post, and as you post it, you see it will generate this message. So basically it says that each and every person who click the link and create an account, deposit 500 Rand, you both get 200 Rand. So that's what I like about Luno, because it gives real value compared to other exchanges like your Easy Equity. So now you need to know how it works. There are steps
step 1, step 2, step 3. First, you refer your friends. Second, they verify their account and deposit 500 rand, and then you both get 200 rand. So that's how you basically make money. So if you want, you can learn even more. So this is the amount of money that I made so far. I've earned in Nairas, I earned in South African rands. So this is the money that has been deposited to my account. So there's different levels, level 1, level 2. I'm currently on level 3. So the more you refer people, you move levels, and those levels will pay you even more. So crypto, Luno is one of the best referral program that you can join. When you go back to the home page by clicking the house thing, you would see that there's cash, there's cryptocurrencies, and also there's stocks at the bottom. So when you click Rand, it will show you the amount of money that you have deposited into the account. And then under crypto, you will see your cryptocurrency. So when you click Rands, you can deposit to Luno, and then there's different ways you can add your bank account. There is a way to link your bank account. So I already linked my Capitec, I already linked my Luno, my Standard Bank. You can link as well. As you can see, you can add a bank account, especially when you are withdrawing. So this is the way to add this bank account, and it will be listed next time. You won't need to add it. You add it once, and when you withdraw, you'll be able to select the account that you want to use to withdraw. So that's the best thing about crypto. So there's also Luno large cap. So this is when they combine different cryptocurrencies in one bundle, so like in one pot, and then when you buy, the money will be split into these different cryptocurrencies. So let's go back so we can see even more how to use Luno. So the next thing that I am going to show you is how to buy. Using the quick actions on the right, you can just click buy, and it will ask you what do you want to buy. If you want to buy stocks, you can select. If you want to buy crypto, you can select. If you want to buy a bundle, which is a combination of digital assets, you can also select that. So the beautiful thing is you just click buy, and from there it will ask you to add funds. And from there, when you click add funds, you would see that it will take you to your bank account. So you select what you want to buy. You can buy once off, or you can repeat. So repeat is when you want to buy. Every month it automatically buys. But then if you buy once off, you can just fund your account here. You can also select a crypto wallet where you can move your crypto to Luno from whatever crypto exchange you can move it from. So that's a different way to buy. And then bundles, I already talked about it. It's a combination of different cryptocurrencies that you can add. So there's other options where you can buy stocks, ETFs. So this is where it will specifically let you buy those ones. You can sell. So selling is basically you want to move your money, let's say from a cryptocurrency to your South African rands, or maybe from Bitcoin to Solana, or from Solana to Cosmos. So you basically select what you want to do. So you're selling, you're moving from one crypto to another. So before withdrawing, you have to sell. And there's also a way to earn. So earning is like you're investing, you're putting your crypto somewhere, and they go use those crypto, and you earn a percentage. So this is the percentage that you will earn. So I like investing and as well, so I am going to buy USDC and earn this 3.something%. So another way to make your money work for you. Also, when you click more on quick actions, it will show you what you can click. So there's receive and send. Receive is when you want to receive crypto from another crypto exchange. You have to generate an address. So when you click, it will give you all the options like your Bitcoin, your Ethereum, your Solana, and then you generate the crypto address and send it to the person who wants to send you crypto. And then when you click send, it's when you want to send from your Luno to their crypto exchange, but they will have to give you their crypto wallets. So yeah, guys, this is everything that we've covered. If you have any question, please comment and I will answer your questions. Thank you.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you did learn something from this video. Remember, you will find the link on the video description. And guys, when you deposit money into your Luno account, we both get 200 rand, especially if you are starting. Thank you.